Now that you are in Google Classroom, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and tap on classwork. And you're going to go ahead and you're going to find the section that says week of March 23rd to March 27th. You might need to scroll down because I will still probably have distance learning at the top. The next thing you want to do is then go into the assignment that says weekly learning plan, and it will be the same title each week. Tap on that. And you're going to find a learning plan with your name on it. That's the learning plan you want to open. I'm going to go ahead and open the template. And here is your learning plan for the full week. So you will notice there is a column for second grade, and second grade has their own set of assignments. And there's also a column for third grade who have their own set of assignments. The first page is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to use our learning plan and where to find the work. The first thing I'm going to show you, if I scroll back up here, is that any blue or underlined writing is a hyperlink. It's either going to be to a downloadable document for you to print at home or to a link on a website. So if I want to do kids A through Z, I don't need to go back into Google Classroom. I can go ahead and tap once or a one finger tap on that link. And here is that website. And if I do another tap, I am now directed to kids A through Z. If I wanted to do the phonics compound words assignment for second grade, if I do a one finger tap, and then I'm going to go ahead and tap on that small box, I now have a document for me to print. You will also notice there are some bold text. And I gave you a little key to remind you of the different online apps or resources we're using. So the S means that is in Saddleport. So say, for example, I'm looking at this narrative writing 8 parts of speech. The bold text says GC. GC means Google Classroom. So I'm going to go back into Google Classroom. And under that section, I will see 8 parts of speech. Tap on that assignment. And you're going to see a document with your name on it. And that will be your Google assignment for the week. A lot of the assignments that I have created for you are things we have been doing every day in our classroom. So I know you will be able to do this on your own at home. But if you need any help, I am available. I will be online. You'll see me probably popping in to your Google Classroom assignments. I'm available from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday. So you can have an adult text me via Remind, and I will be here to assist you. Best of luck on your distance learning. I'll see you online.